Welcome back to today's brand new compilation of drivers versus level crossings. And dangers turn safe at light speed, or explosions strong enough to blow up the roads. Let's go! A large manhole explosion would have this kind of power? Really incredible, right? This is another explosion, but it was caused by a propane tank. It's pretty surprising that the driver inside the car is still safe. Have you ever seen a case like this? Oh my god, we get a man without fear here. Let's see what he's gonna do. He had plenty of time to escape, but he just wasted it. Yeah, woman casually on train tracks. Everything is okay, except the driver's skills. Always check your wheels carefully, dude. It looks like both cars were in an illegal race. This driver doesn't act like a drunk guy, he seems more like an angry driver. It looks like he crashed while chasing the bikers in front of him. I wonder who gave him the license with such bad driving and observation skills like this.
She could have done. Detectives met with ass protection officers at the Walmart just 3 days at a confession and saw it all on surveillance footage. Scott had purchased nearly.
It seems like the driver lost control because they slammed on the brakes and swerved at the same time to avoid rear-ending the car in front. A lot of drivers do this, but that often goes wrong. I think the alleged rear-ender was on the phone before the accident happened. It's on a dashboard stand.
Jesus.
Even though there are so many cases like this shown on TV, you can find a random red runner doing his job in any intersection. Why did the blue car stop instead of the white car? Look at the shadows of the cars. Both the blue car and the white car were facing the sun. So the white car tried to overtake despite being partially blinded by the sunlight. So risky. It looks like taking the turn too sharply caused the biker to lose control. Hopefully he's okay.
You okay? Your bike didn't go that far?
Yeah, he's actually fine. God really does all his best to save this guy.
I did.
Everything works together perfectly.
Yes. Oh.
Losing control at crazy speed in heavy rain. His deep sigh seems to say everything about what he felt in that moment. When a vehicle loses control, the first thing the driver should do is try to avoid colliding with other vehicles. The truck driver did a great job avoiding any collisions with other vehicles. Now let's find someone to blame for my fault. If you're wondering why this truck driver chose such a rough path, it's because he wanted to avoid a checkpoint in a way station. What do you think about this? It doesn't look like the biker was trying to run away, but there must be a reason for the cop's risky move, right? This is probably a pretty common sight, where drivers try to pass calculin tracks but miscalculate and get stuck.
Oh no.
It looks like this driver is going to have to pay a pretty hefty fine after this. I really think this place needs stop signs. If you're in the US, please get off your bike and walk across the crosswalk. If you don't, you could be considered at fault if an accident happens. Incidents like this usually don't cause much damage, but sometimes could end up like this. Sudden stops like this are often the cause of many serious accidents. This is a serious accident, but what's really remarkable is that residents gather and flipped over the minibus to help get the people inside out. So many warm heart right. Here is instant karma for reckless driver. It was such a shocking accident, but the police showed up Reddit to arrest the careless driver who ran the red light. PIT stands for Precision Immobilization Technique, which is a maneuver cops use to stop suspects' cars. However, the truth is that many drivers seem to pull this off, but in serious situations, like this. Let's check out the incident from the rear view perspective. This car was going really fast, but up ahead, there was a queue of cars that had already stopped. The driver tried to swerve into the next lane, but ended up crashing hard into the camera. It's clear that the cause of this accident was the driver's lack of attention and didn't notice all the vehicles in his lane had stopped, while he was still speeding at a very high rate. A lot of people say you should try to save time with most things, except when it comes to driving, like this moment. Look at this Volkswagen. The driver's keeping a really close distance to the camera. Looks like he wants to overtake. Yeah, he did, but he did it in a pretty safe way, but he seemed to be in a rush and kept his speed up while taking the turn. He then oversteered and ended up hitting the median barrier. Many people don't allow teenagers to drive, and here's why. This crash was reported to have been caused by teenagers. It looks like they were driving recklessly and lost control of the car. However, what really made people angry was how they fled the scene. We can clearly see 3 of them from the video. The police will definitely track down the car owner, and the parents will be the ones held responsible for their child's actions. Thank you for watching Big Crash Channel's videos. If you enjoyed our journey of discovery, don't miss out on what's next. Subscribe, like, and share our videos. See you soon.